Hello friends, now we are in Huizhou Xuezhiyu Electronic Technology Park and here is our SMT production workshop. Now we will guide you to have a visit and know about these devices. We have the two SMT production line and now we will check this one. The first machine is for printing and the PCB will be in here for the printing process, and we can check the PCB and SPK if it works well in this computer so that we can make analysis to handle it. We can see the details in the screen. And here you can see the two channels for the two sides are working meanwhile. And here is our SMT machines. Here are 8+1 machines. These 8 machines assemble the PCBA with small electronic parts. And this individual one is special. It is to add the memory or the important chip in the PCBA. And here we can see PCBA has been finished with a 4 parts and we can check the quality when the SMT production process. The machines applies the AOI technology for guaranteeing PCBA quality in an effective way. So you can see our all SMT production applies intelligent and automatic devices and the software systems. And here you can see big machines. It is with the ROHs in CE approved. So we can try to make production and the products in an environment friendly and productive way. With this machine, we can make all parts are fixed in the PCBA and the high temperature. As you can see, our all production lines are smart and intelligent. And here, two parts are flexible line to fleet the PCBA top. And then the engineers will make analysis if it is okay.